Hello! At Filings Corner, we specialize in helping medical device manufacturers, suppliers, and service providers achieve ISO 13485-2016 certification. Our expert team, including chartered accountants, CAs, company secretaries, CSAs, advocates, and MBAs, ensures a smooth, hassle-free certification process, helping businesses comply with global regulatory standards and enhance product safety. What is ISO 13485-2016? ISO 13485-2016 is an international standard for quality management systems, QMS, in the medical device industry. It establishes stringent guidelines for design, production, and distribution to ensure the safety and effectiveness of medical devices. Who needs ISO 13485-2016? Certification. ISO 13485-2016. Certification is essential for medical device manufacturers, ensure consistent production quality suppliers and distributors, meet compliance for handling medical products, service providers, calibration, sterilization, and maintenance providers, healthcare institutions, hospitals managing device production or modifications, R&D firms, innovators in medical technology and device development. Key benefits of ISO 13485-2016 certification. Here's why ISO 13485-2016. Certification is crucial for your business. Regulatory compliance, meet domestic and international medical device laws, improved product quality, maintain consistent safety and reliability. Risk management, identify and mitigate risks in the production process. Enhanced market access, expand into global medical markets. Customer trust and credibility, gain confidence from healthcare providers and patients. Operational efficiency, reduce errors and streamline processes. Our ISO 13485-2016 certification service. The process to ISO 13485-2016. Certification is simple with Filings Corner. 1. Schedule a consultation. Discuss your certification needs. 2. Initial assessment. Evaluate your QMS and compliance gaps. 3. Document submission. Provide HACCP plans, training records, etc. 4. Certification audit. Conduct compliance verification. 5. Certification issuance. Receive your official ISO 13485-2016 certificate. Documents required for ISO 13485-2016 certification. For manufacturers, business registration, GST, MSME, QMS documentation, design and production records, calibration and maintenance logs, internal audit and risk assessment reports for distributors and service providers, business registration certificate, quality control policies, supplier and customer agreements, staff training and compliance records. For R&D firms, business incorporation documents, research protocols and risk assessments, compliance and audit reports, frequently asked questions, FAQs. 1. Is ISO 13485-2016 mandatory? It's not mandatory, but highly recommended for regulatory compliance and market access. 2. How long does certification take? The timeline depends on your business structure and QMS implementation, typically completed as per project needs. 3. What are the certification costs? Pricing varies based on business size, complexity, and scope, with government and audit fees applied separately. 4. Can startups apply for ISO 13485-2016? Yes. Early certification ensures compliance from the start and smoothens market entry. Call to action, empowering close. Contact us now or visit filingscorner.com to start your ISO 13485-2016 certification journey. Let's ensure safety, quality, and compliance in the medical device industry together.